That's my version of the Mini XRT, y'all. Put the Sledgehammers and the center diff. She ready now. Yeah, baby. I put that AGRF or whatever little servo on there. It was like $16. Oh. Yeah, buddy. See, that's my own personal reason for not getting the Mini XRT, but I ain't knocking nobody else for getting it. You know, that's their thing. Oh, that clicking noise when I first did the other video with this, the Mini XRT, I ain't buying it, whatever video. That clicking noise I found, the ring and pinion gears on both front and rear differentials needed. They was worn all the way down. There wasn't no tooth, there wasn't no broken teeth on them, but they was worn down pretty good. But like I said, this car like 4 years old. It was an old brushed Rustler. And when I put the hobby wing in my Ford Raptor, I put the VXL 3S out of there in the hip. And bam. We got a Mini XRT. That red pretty though. But like I was saying before, you know, maybe I'm missing something, I don't know, but I don't see a lot of companies offer you get different color suspension arms, steering blocks, axle carriers. I'm talking about shock towers, chassis brakes. You can do all that. I mean, it might not be nothing to some people, but it is to me. Center draft shaft. I mean, even these, the steering links and turnbuckles, all you can get them in different colors if you want. I mean, it's a little money, but and you see me driving the car, you know what I'm saying? It ain't like it's just some, oh, cheap, more overpriced plastic junk from Traxxas. You know, it's what they say. But, you dig? I don't know what they talking about. Yeah, you could get this or that for a different price, a cheaper price or whatever. But like I said, oh, look at that. Can you customize like that? Not to mention, forget the customization, I'm gonna just throw a couple other things out there that I know it's out there, but it's all old news. But I feel like it needs being said again. The parts availability, where everybody know that. Off the charts. But if your ESC, your electronics, your ESC battery, and look, this stock, everybody be, oh, I'm blinking. Oh, you gotta buy a fan. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they should come with a fan, but they don't. Fuck it. Buy a damn fan. I'm gonna turn this joint off and start it back. But my stuff probably out of warranty, but say if like my ESC or your motor or your battery, if you got a Traxxas battery, that's a HRB, you know. But if you got a Traxxas battery, ESC motor, your electronics go bad, even if it's a year or two old, whatever. You know, you ain't gonna get one for free, but you can send it in and get a new one for half the price. You know what I'm saying? That's something. So like a 3S Traxxas battery costs like 70 bucks. Okay. Say it swell up on you over time or whatever, wires pop out, whatever. You send it in, you get a new one for half of that, $35, which is gonna be about the same price as one of these Amazon batteries. Except when this one go bad, you can chuck it. It's over with. So, but that's just one of them little things people don't mention when they be talking about, you know, the value and the overpriced garbage and the only stupid people buy Traxxas or more money than sense and all other bullshit you hear. You know what I'm saying? Think about that, especially if you're a newbie. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm a newbie, but I ain't finna let YouTube or nobody influence my shit. You know what I'm saying? The ecosystem. Yeah, ecosystem ain't bad at all, actually, because if something break on this, you know what I'm saying, I could put it on my Stampede or take parts off of that to put on here. I'm sure you could do that with other brands too, and they 3S or 4S lines, whatever. But the electronics you can get for half price if your shit out of warranty, motor go bad. You want, if you don't want to upgrade to some different brand, Hobby Wing, or do whatever, you know, you get it for half price. But that's one of the things people leave out when they be on YouTube in the comment sections hating on everything Traxxas. So, you know, what are you gonna do? I'm glad I don't let YouTube influence my decisions. Ah, that was it. Now see, if something broke right there, that's 100% my fault. Man, I'm in LVC. I should have charged that battery. I thought it still had some juice from, because I've been using this same battery like on and off, on and off, on and off, trying to track down what the hell that clicking noise was.